Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sherry from Share It. Today I'm just going to show you a copycat of Italian wedding soup, and I have a very easy copycat Italian wedding soup. So for our ingredients, we have a pre-made beef meatballs. It's around 12 pieces, and I made it smaller sizes. We have 1 large garlic cloves chopped, 1/4 cup white onion chopped, 1/4 cup celery chopped, and 1/4 cup carrots chopped. We have 1/2 teaspoon black pepper crushed, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup cabbage shredded, and 1/2 cup elbow macaroni, 2 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, and 3 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons oil. So let's start cooking. So the pan is already heated. We'll just pour in our 2 tablespoons oil. Okay. And then we'll add in our chopped vegetables and the garlic and onions. So we'll use onions, garlic, celery, and carrots. So we'll just mix it all up. Cover and leave it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 minutes, we can add in our macaroni pasta. Mix it a little bit. Okay. Then we're pouring our water. 3 cups of water. And all the seasoning, the pepper, salt, and the 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. We'll cover it and wait till it boils, and then we'll add our meatballs. So guys, our soup is start boiling, so we can just drop all our meatballs. And add in our shredded cabbage. And we'll leave it boiling for another 5 minutes, or until the cabbage is tender. So in any case, you want more or extra for this soup, because this soup is pretty much for 2 persons only, you can just double the amount of what I have in the recipe, and then that would be good for. So 5 minutes had gone by. We turn off the heat, and our vegetable is perfectly tender. All the veggies, carrots, cabbage, and celery, and the meat is cooked through. Same thing with all the stuff inside are all cooked through, and it's ready for serving. This soup is ready in at least 15 minutes, and there you go. You have a good healthy soup. It's perfect cold weather. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like this recipe and have a try. Enjoy.